In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate time if we know the speed an object is traveling and the distance it has traveled. So we're going to start with our regular speed formula. Speed equals distance over time. Now we need to rearrange this formula for time, so for this t variable on the bottom. And the easiest way to do that is to just switch the location of these two variables. So we end up with time is equal to distance over speed. So t is time, d is going to be our distance, and v is going to be our speed. All right, so we're going to look at some examples now. We're going to look at an example in which we are given the distance and the speed in similar units. So, how long will it take a car traveling at 90 kilometers per hour to move a distance of 62 kilometers. Okay, so in this example, it's asking how long. That implies to us that we are looking for time. We have 90 kilometers per hour, so that's our speed, and we have 62 kilometers, so that's our distance. We're going to take our formula. Time is distance over speed. Now, if you look here, we have kilometers in our speed, we have kilometers as our distance. For these types of problems, the units of distance must match. So they do, so we can plug right in. So 62 kilometers divided by 90 kilometers per hour. That gives us 0.69 hours. So because we have hours in our unit for speed, we're going to have hours as our time. This will also work if you have meters per second and meters. So if you have matching distance units. We're going to look at a couple examples now where that is not the case. All right, so a car is traveling at, again, we'll do 90 kilometers per hour. How long will it take to move 7,000 meters? Okay, so here you'll notice that we're still asked how long, so that's going to tell us we're looking for time. We have our speed, so the 90 kilometers an hour is our speed, and we have our distance of 7,000 meters. So we know that we're going to deal with time is distance over speed. However, our speed is in kilometers and our distance is in meters, so we can't use that directly. We've got to do a unit conversion first. So we're going to say down here, 7,000 meters times 1,000 meters per 1 kilometer. That's going to equal 7 kilometers. So now we know that in kilometers, we can plug that in. So we have 7 kilometers divided by 90 kilometers per hour. So again, our kilometers now will cancel and we're going to be left with hours. And our answer here is 0.078 hours. Okay, so we're going to do one more type of question. A toy car runs at 3 meters per second and travels a distance of 2.6 kilometers. How long did the toy car run? Okay, so once again, we have that question, how long? Tells us we're looking for time. We have a speed in meters per second, and we have a distance in kilometers. Now, given our formula, time equals distance over speed, we can see that meters here and kilometers here are different. So we're going to take this 2.6 kilometers and we're going to convert it into meters. So 2.6 kilometers times 1,000 meters per 1 kilometer. That's going to equal 2,600 meters. So we can plug that number in here. So 2,600 meters divided by 3 meters per second. So we'll see meters will cancel, and our time is going to be in seconds because that's the unit of time in our speed measurement. We get 867 seconds.